Hi and welcome back to Curly Beauty 13. Today I'm here with the November CurlBox unboxing. Here is my box. Let's get it open. So here's the CurlBox. This one is back to the pink box. All right. This is it. It says November 2021 Super Slip. So I'll show you the box. It's all Palmer's items and I will go through them so you can see what they are. We'll start with the smallest item. This is a Moisture Boost protein pack. It's the Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E. Next is the Moisture Boost Pro Length Treatment. After that is the Moisture Boost Deep Conditioner. And so far they all say that they have Tahitian Manoi. After that is the Moisture Boost Curl Refresher. And this is the Moisture Boost Conditioner. Last but not least, they did not send a shampoo, but we have a Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Coconut Oil Body Lotion. So there's no shampoo in this. I guess if I was using this all together, I would just use a regular shampoo or a co-wash and then use everything else because they didn't send a shampoo in this CurlBox. This CurlBox isn't very exciting to me because it's not something I've never seen, because I have seen Palmer's products and I believe that I did have a Palmer's CurlBox previously. So I'm trying to decide if I should keep CurlBox and keep getting new items, or if I should cancel it, give it a break, and either use what I have or just try things that I know I want to try without waiting for a surprise. Please comment down below and let me know if you think I should continue doing CurlBox or if I should give it a break. I'm not sure what the next video will be, but stay tuned and I hope to see you then. Thanks for watching. Bye.